Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this lecture, you will going to learn how you can use ICT turtle soup with CRT, the candle range theory. Okay, this mechanical strategy will work on a specific time with specific prayer. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till end and not miss any part. So let's get started. Before I jump into the video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it and hit the like button. So first of all, what is turtle soup and how many types of turtle soup? Okay, so I will give you a quick example. In internet you will hear about a turtle soup. It's basically a fake out, okay, of any sport area or from any resistance area, right? So turtle soup, for example, this is a swing point. Okay, this is the candle swing point, high and low, right? So basically turtle soup what did, it will go that area, purge, okay, and then back, okay. He basically took the liquidity of buy side and then aim for a sell side, right? Okay, so this is the turtle soup. Everyone is seeing that. Okay, so how many type of turtle soup and how you can understand when to use this turtle soup? Because in internet you will see a chart of people, they are marking out some high and lows, and some of the point market take out the liquidity and went to opposite side, and they say, oh, see, this is a fake out and here the turtle soup, and down. You will never get to know when to use this turtle soup and where to use this turtle soup. Okay, so I'm going to show you this point. I'm going to show you today in which pair, at what time you can use this strategy, is turtle soup. Because in turtle soup you don't need to wait for a market structure shift or any fair value gap or any boss or chalk. Okay, you have direct, you can take entry on your first model, on your first order block, on your first fair value gap. Okay, let me show you in the chart once we reach there. Okay, how many types of turtle soup? There are two types of turtle soup. One is body wick turtle soup, second is wick turtle soup. Okay, what does it mean by a body turtle soup? Here is the body, this is the high point, and here is the low point, right? If any candle close above with body closing, okay, and then second candle went to the downside, is called a body turtle soup. Okay, as you seen here, here as the body close upside to the swing point. Okay, from these swing point upside you should have some sort of key area. Okay, that key area should be from a higher time frame. Okay, it can be anything, it can be your order block, fair value gap, whatever. It should be from higher time frame. Okay, and what is the wick turtle soup? Wick turtle soup is an area where you will not see a body closing above, you will see a wick going to the up or low from your previous swing point area. That is called a wick turtle soup. Okay, a body turtle soup where the body close and the wick, you will see that is the wick turtle soup. Okay, now I think you understand what is the turtle soup and how many type of turtle soup. Okay, and now how to use with CRT, the candle range theory. So I trade in US 100. Okay, first of all, if anyone have passionate with trading, this thing, now I'm going to share with you this thing specifically for him. For overall any person who only trade a New York session or London session, okay, and they just wait a little bit. Okay, just go for a daily time frame. Okay, a trader, a person who trade only trading, who trade every day, who trade every time, just watch this. Just mark out the high and low of the day and wait for one side to be a purge and wait for setup in these times. For London, 3 a.m., 9 a.m. New York session and 1:30 p.m. New York session. Okay, for a higher time frame perspective. Okay, a person whose life only running with the trading, or a newbie who not doing anything, just want to start trade. So for these things for him, not for you. Okay, so now let's go to the our original topic. Okay, I am working on US 100, and this setup for me work on US 100 on a specific time. So what is the time? 1 hour. I will go first to 1 hour, remove the drawings. Okay, and what I do every day, this setup in a month I can catch 5 to 6 times successfully. I mark the 8 a.m. high, 8 a.m. low. This is my CRT high and low. Okay, 8 a.m. New York time. Here is UTC -5. It doesn't mean that you will go for UTC -4. Okay, always use New York, because now daylight saving time, so the UTC -4 was converted into UTC -5. The 1 hour time frame is increased to another hour. Okay, now so you will mark 8 a.m. high and low, and then shift to 1 minute time frame every day. Okay, so here we have this area. Okay, after any side of 8 o'clock candle purged high or low, okay, then you will wait for that area. So that purge we use for turtle soup here. Okay, so once this happen, once I will get trade, not directly from here. Okay, we wait for some sort of confluence, right? We have this fair value gap, right? Should be inverse, right? Okay, or as you see, it's go again upside, and here we have wick turtle soup. Here we have body, we have here wick, and then you see it's directly going. The first model, what is that? You don't have to wait for the market structure shift. You can direct enter on this order block, or after closing this candle. Okay, or some of people wait for this consecutive, you see 1 2 this candle, this whole order block have to be shifted, and then they take entry from here. Okay, so here also something confluences. What is that? We go to 1 hour time frame. I will show you here. Just forget about this candle. Okay, just imagine this did not appear. Before this candle, what we have here? A fair value gap, right? So our 8 hour candle upside, we have a fair value gap. So I can anticipate that price, if come to this fair value gap area, I can take short entry, right? I'm right. Okay, and where to target? We have this liquidity here, we have this order block, right? And you have another confluences with 15 minute. We have this fair value gap of 15 minute, and these are resistance. Many of you, if are a resistance trader, from here price came, and then price go to this low, right? Now go to 1 minute time frame. We have these 2-3 confluences, right? And then we will wait for this turtle soup, and then we will use this turtle soup. Okay, shift, and you can take into the fair value. But if you're afraid, let me show you something here, algorithmic. You see this candle, green, this one is black, right? Here is open, high, low, close, right? This green candle open, what is showing here? Watch this, 27.98 28.8 of this candle open, right? Here, okay. See here, when I my this mouse come to here, 2798.8. okay. Now see the high of this candle. High will be here, okay, of this black candle, 2798.8. Did you see this? Are you thinking is something random? No, bro. Step and boom. Where? To the liquidity. What have this? Relative equal lows. What's beside here, downside here? Sell side liquidity. Okay. Then liquidity purge. What we have this order block. Order block from which? 1 hour time frame, right? Boom. Fair value gap or breaker block. All the way to the upside. You see? So here is how you can take that trade. Stop loss above 14-15 pips, okay. 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, 1 to 2.5, okay. 1 to 2 you can easily catch from here. That's all. That's how work. Every day mark out the 8 o'clock high and low and wait for purge of one side, okay, and trade it. Kindly comment me this strategy did work. Is this strategy work on another pair? Because I'm not trading the forex or another specific asset class. So kindly check if you are a gold lover or forex lover or a crypto or any asset class. Please let me know. Backtest it, where it's work. Some of days, many of days you will not find this setup, but in the month you will find this 6 to 7 times. And promise me, back days, every day I find this catch up. I catch this setup, okay. Let's see randomly. Here is the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, no setup. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, no setup. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, beautiful setup. Sweep downside, okay. Last week, 8, 9, beautiful setup. Here, upside, okay. 8, 9, beautiful setup. 7, 8, no setup. 8, 9, beautiful setup with multiple confluences. That will be, see the liquidity sweep here and then to the upside. 8, 9, no setup. Maybe, but I think hit the stop loss because you see sweep here and this did not reach. In CRT, I think you know that the marking candle, if you are marking the 8 AM high and low, okay, you will be you should be at break even when you reach the CRT candle 50%, right? This is the 50%, okay. Once you reach that area, you should be break even or take some partials. How that is how it is work like that. No trade. No trade. No trade. Yeah, trade, liquidity, fair value gap, boom to the downside. Okay, here. This is the 8 o'clock, 9, no trade. Here is the trade, sweep to the upside. Or you can say break even if no. Here is no trade. Here is the trade, 8 and 9. Sweep, we have this order block to the upside. Beautiful. liquidity sweep, forward block, trade, like this. Okay, so make sure you comment on your asset class. Okay, comment me on which asset class is working. Also I see is this working on US 30 also, US 100 also. Okay, and I hope you learn something from this video. If you are searching for a good broker or a prop firm, instant funding prop firm, you can see a link in my description, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the like button. I make this video for you, that can be really motivate me. Thank you very much. Until next time, be safe.